In this example of the law of sines, I've drawn this plane triangle and I've assigned some angles. I've made this one looks pretty close to 75, this one looks pretty close to 60, and this one looks pretty close to 45. You'll always want to check. Do my angles add to 180? In this case, yes they do. 75 and 60 is 135, plus 45 is 180. Now I'm going to use my law of sines. I don't know what A and B are, but I'm going to find out because I do know what this angle or this side here is. It's 7. So I'm going to take, I know that I know the sine of 45 over 7. I'm picking that angle that's opposite the side and that side that's opposite that angle, and creating my ratio with it. That's going to equal, let's suppose I want to look for B first. So I'm going to say that's equal to the sine of 75 divided by B. I want B, so I'm going to pick this angle, and this won't work if you mix up your angles and say pick this one instead of this one. They've got to always be that opposing setup. So this means, and I rewrite it now, B is going to equal the sine of 75 times 7 divided by the sine of 45. Now I have my little cheat sheet over here. That's going to equal 0.966 times 7 divided by 0.707. And I get B equal to 9.6. Obviously, I can put a bunch more decimals there, but for this class, be satisfied with a single decimal point. It's fine. So B is 9.6. Got it. To solve for the rest of this triangle means that I have all my angles. I still need one more side. I'm going to now set up for A. This time I'm going to use the information I just got. B is 9.6. So the sine of 75 over 9.6 is equal to, now I want the sine of, let's say I want this guy, sine of 60 over this side here, A. Rewriting it, flipping things around, multiplying by A, dividing by sine of 75, multiplying by 9.6, getting everything over to the other side. I get A is equal to 9.6 times the sine of 75, which I know would be 0.966, divided by sine of 60. And what, sine of 60, which I know to be 0.866. When I do that multiplication, I get A is equal to, 8.6. So that's my other side here, A equals 8.6. I have now solved this triangle using the law of sines. I have all three angles, I was given those. I have the side that I was given, and I've calculated the other two sides. And that's what we mean by solving the triangle.